That is so cool. Never seen one as long as that. I don't know what that's called. Like a small channel or something. Or a huge tide pool. Looks like a lot of fun though. If only it was warm enough to swim in. Yeah, there's definitely like a whole colony of birds. Still haven't found my sweater. Kind of been going back and forth on it, honestly. You know, I do want something to put on my arms, but also want something that looks good too. And while the sweaters here are kind of kitschy, I'm not certain it's a sweater that I'll be wearing outside of here. So I don't know. Oh. Around rocks. That's definitely something similar to a bird cliff for sure. Need to tighten this camera. I feel it shaking and moving. Well, I have to say, this is really nice if it was 80 degrees. You know? It reminds me of the Oregon coast, where it's like really pretty and everything. The water is really nice, but it's cold. You're like, ah, such a waste. I'm looking at this, I'm thinking to myself, man, this would be so nice on a warmer day. Just come out here and relax and chill. And then you realize, like, this is literally the warmest month of the year. So I can't imagine living here, because you have all of these, like, outdoor things where, like, I don't know, if you dress for it, I guess. But nah, I still want to have the sun.